Hello guys, you are most welcome to my Campa classes. Today we will discuss about the direct and indirect speech. Earlier I told you the changing of direct and into indirect speech of the simple sentences, and today we will discuss about the interrogative sentences. How we will make, there are some rules. Rules for changing interrogative sentences are like this. First one, reporting verb said change into asked. You know, he said that, we write like this, but in this sentences we change said into the asked. Second one, when question starting with interrogative words like when, which, where, then no use any conjunction. So we will not use any type of conjunction. As it is, we will write the interrogative word. Third, when question start with the helping verb like have, has, do, did, does, then we will use the if or whether as a conjunction. In the simple sentences, we write that word as the conjunction, but in interrogative sentences which start with helping verb, we write if or whether. And always you keep in mind, the question mark will change into full stop. It means interrogative sentence will change into assertive sentence or positive sentence. See one example. Suppose we say, he said do you like tea? He said, do you like tea? This is the interrogative sentence, start with helping verb, and how we will change it into the interrogative sentence. You see, said word will convert into asked. He asked. And this helping verbs started, I have written here. If the sentence starts with helping verb, we use if or whether. So to remove the inverted commas, we will use if or whether. He asked if. Okay. We have convert said into asked, and to remove the inverted commas, we use conjunction if or whether. Now, do you like tea? This sentence is of the simple present tense. So, simple present tense will change into simple past tense. Simple past tense में अगर हम इसको did और he कर दें या she कर दें, कुछ भी कर दें, तो again it will be the क्वेश्चन. तो सो क्या करेंगे हम, पहले सब्जेक्ट आएंगे. सब्जेक्ट क्या है, यू ऑलवेज चेंज एज द अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्ट. तो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, ही सेड टू मी, उसने मुझसे पूछा होगा ना कि डू यू लाइक टी, तो ही आस्क्ड इफ आई. दिस इज द हिडन आई. और इफ वी राइट ए डिड, then it will be wrong. So we will use the second form of the main verb like. If I liked tea, and question mark will change into the full stop. So he asked if I liked tea. एक और एग्जाम्पल देख लीजिए आप. जैसे हमने कहा कि she said to me, she said to me, do you have any extra notebook? क्या काम है, he She said to me, do you have any extra notebook? She said to me, तो क्या हो जाएगा? She asked me. She asked me. Here, this time we will use whether. In this example, we have used here if, and in this example, we will write whether. She asked me whether, do you have, do helping verb. So, to convert into assertive form, सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? Subject. Subject इसमें क्या है? You is the second person. Second person will change according to the object. Object is me, so we will write here I. She asked me whether I. अब do you have, do means क्या हो गया? Past present tense, simple present. So we will also use here have का second form क्या आएगा? Had. If I had any extra notebook, and then question mark will convert into full stop. ओके, अब आपको आई थिंक सो समझ आ गया होगा वो क्वेश्चन वाले सेंटेंस जो स्टार्ट किससे होते हैं? हेल्पिंग वर्ब से। अब हम करेंगे जो इंटेरोगेटिव वर्ड से स्टार्ट होते हैं। मैंने अभी आपको रूल में बताया कि इंटेरोगेटिव वर्ड्स स्टार्ट होने वाले सेंटेंसेस में we don't use any type of conjunction. As it is, we will use the interrogative word. It means how, where, when, same word we will write in the indirect speech. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, he said, he said what is your problem? What is your problem? He said, what is your problem? This is also interrogative sentence, and sentence is beginning with the interrogative word. So, he said will convert into asked. He asked. Here we don't use any type of conjunction. As it is, we will write with the small letter what. So, what it will come. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे व्हाट लगा दिया तो क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा, बट ऐसा नहीं है। अब हम क्या लिखेंगे? योर प्रॉब्लम, यानी इसको सब्जेक्ट बनाया, सब्जेक्ट को हम पहले लाएंगे। योर प्रॉब्लम इज द सब्जेक्ट, और योर किसके अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा? यू के तरीके से ही अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्ट, बट ऑब्जेक्ट इज हिडन। हम आई से पूछेंगे कि व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम, सो वी विल राइट हियर ही आस्क्ड व्हाट माय प्रॉब्लम। ये हो गया सब्जेक्ट हमारा प्रॉब्लम, एंड इज विल कन्वर्ट इनटू वाज एंड फुल स्टॉप। क्वेश्चन मार्क विल चेंज इनटू फुल स्टॉप। तो ही आस्क्ड व्हाट माय प्रॉब्लम वाज। आई थिंक सो आपको समझ आ गया होगा। एक एग्जांपल हम और ले लेते हैं। जैसे कहा हमने, शी सेड why are you not writing? She said, why are you not writing? This is also starting with the interrogative word. She said becomes are. She are. We will not use any type of conjunction. As it is, we will copy here in the small letter Y. She asked why. And are you not writing? It means the sentence is of the present continuous tense, and present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. But we will write first of all here subject. Subject is second person you. You always change according to the object, but object is hidden. So she said, why are you not writing? It means she is telling to me only. So she asked why I. Okay, and are we use with the present continuous. So in past continuous, what will we write? Why I was not writing, and full stop. She asked why I was not writing. I think so you have understood very well. Once again I am telling you that when the question starts with any type of interrogative word, then to remove the inverted commas, we don't use any type of conjunction. But if the sentence starts with the helping verb like do, did, have, had, that time we use to replace this inverted comma with the conjunction if or whether. Then we will change the tense according to the rule or as given in the earlier in simple sentences. I hope so you have understood. In my next videos, see how the change imperative sentences and the exclamatory sentence.